Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Michelin guide app. So let's get started. So it is very easy to use the Michelin guide app. So you can also use it. So just go and open the Michelin guide app. So basically this is the guide app for the Michelin product users. Okay. So here you can see. So here you can see the hotels and the things. Just click on here and then you can click on the reserve app, and from here you can reserve the table from here as well. So as you can see, if I want to reserve here, just click on timing, select the here and click on number of people, and then you can give your information and just click on book. So by this way you can just use your Michelin guide app, and if you see here hotels, you can just book the hotels. You can just make your account and do many things. So if you have any question, let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.